Bitcoin trades above $67,000, Ether inches towards $4,000. BlackRock wants to buy spot Bitcoin ETFs for Global Allocation Fund. SEC pushes back decision to open up options trading on spot Bitcoin ETFs. Optimism Foundation to sell $89 million worth of OP governance token in private sale. Indian cabinet greenlights 10,371.92 crore rupees India AI mission. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets are trading mixed in today's session, with benchmark tokens such as Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain Ether adding to their weekly gains, meme coins consolidating after running into resistance, while artificial intelligence or AI-related tokens pumping ahead of global AI NVIDIA conference for developers and engineers on March 18th. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.2% at 87,350 points. While several factors influence Bitcoin's price movement, including institutional adoption, macroeconomic trends, regulatory developments, and investor sentiment. Adding fuel to this fire is the recent remark by Fed chief, who has reaffirmed the rate cut later this year through a careful approach. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was hovering near the $67,000 mark in a pulsating week that witnessed a wild swing. The Satoshi Nakamoto's brainchild briefly scaled a new all-time high of $69,200 and plunged more than 10% due to a whale raising after a 10 years hiatus that dumped his entire holding. In other news, Ethereum is closing in on the $4,000 mark. The second largest crypto asset recently exchanged hands at $3,934, adding 4% over the last 24 hours. Ether was joined by Solana Sol Cardano's ADA to report gains. Meanwhile, a crypto research analyst at asset manager Bitwise holds a positive outlook on Ether. Juan Leon believes Ether to go above $8,000 to $10,000 this year, maybe even higher. However, the Ethereum Layer 2 network-based team has announced support for Denken upgrade, which aims to reduce transaction fees by over 90%, especially for rollups. The upgrade will increase data availability and benefit various Layer 2 ecosystems. Interestingly, crypto exchanges are witnessing record-breaking trading volumes. As Binance witnessed a surge in volume, its native token BNB soared nearly 50% in the past 1 month. The global crypto market cap was at $2.57 trillion mark, increasing 2.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased by 20% to $127 billion. Moving on, Solana Sol, a popular altcoin, has seen a significant increase in value, reaching $145 in the last 24 hours. As the altcoin approaches the critical $150 level, excitement is growing within the community. Sentiment analysis suggests this is a significant turning point for Sol. In other news, a significant transfer of 18.73 million XRP, valued at $11.26 million, occurred on Binance, causing shockwaves across the market. The transaction, detected by Whale Alert, held 35.4 million XRP tokens. Going forward, DeFi deposits on the Bitcoin network have reached over $2.7 billion, up by 723% from the start of the year, largely due to Merlin Chain, a Bitcoin Layer 2 network. US stock futures traded higher ahead of February's jobs report release, where futures linked to S&P 500 rose 1%, while Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were higher by 0.34%. However, Nasdaq 100 futures dropped about 0.17%. So Bitcoin was trading at $67,352, up by 1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 4.4%, trading at $3,952. BNB was up by 9% to trade at $472. If we talk about Solana Sol token, it was up by 4.3% and was trading at $146. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.1% to trade at $0.73. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $43.4, higher by 1.5%. Polygon's Matic was trading up by 2.3% to trade at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 8% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading up by 7.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.62, up by 1.2%. However, Polkadot was down by 0.3% to trade at $10.4.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. BlackRock, one of the largest asset managers in the world, is planning to buy spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds for its Global Allocation Fund. According to a March 7 update to the filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, BlackRock wants to include physically backed Bitcoin exchange-traded products, or in other words, spot Bitcoin ETFs, as part of MALEX. The updated filing notes that MALEX may purchase BlackRock's own spot Bitcoin ETFs, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, as well as ETFs by other issuers. The fund will only invest in Bitcoin ETPs that are listed and traded on national security exchanges, the filing noted. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has postponed its decision on whether to approve options trading on spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, which could open the doors for more institutional capital into Bitcoin. In a March 6 filing, the SEC extended its time to respond to CBOE Exchange and the Miami International Securities Exchange on their bids to offer options on Bitcoin ETFs. It also delayed deciding on Nasdaq's bid to offer options on BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, saying the delay ensures it has sufficient time to consider its request. The exchanges all filed to list Bitcoin ETF options on January 25th, and the SEC faced its first decision deadline on March 10th as US securities laws give it 45 days to decide or defer a decision on the matter. Its deferral gives the agency another 45 days, its maximum 90 days under the law, to come to a final decision, which the SEC noted was April 24th. Optimism Foundation, which supports the Ethereum Layer 2 project Optimism, said it is privately selling approximately 19.5 million governance tokens valued at over $89 million at current prices. The terms of the private sale and the identity of the buyer have not been disclosed. The tokens will be subject to a lock-up period of 2 years, according to an official announcement, but the purchaser will still be able to delegate tokens to unaffiliated third parties for governance votes. Optimism has entered into a private token sale of approximately 19.5 million OP tokens, the announcement posted on Optimism's governance forum read. The project claims the tokens come from the unallocated portion of the OP token treasury and are part of the foundation's original working budget of 30% of the initial OP token supply. Optimism also notified that several transactions related to the private sale will occur in the coming days. The Indian cabinet approves the National India AI mission with a budget of 10,371.92 crore rupees, signaling a significant boost for India's ambition to become an artificial intelligence hub. The mission aims to position India as a global leader in AI through initiatives like developing computing infrastructure with over 10,000 GPUs in collaboration with the private sector. It will establish an AI marketplace, offer AI as a service, and create an AI data sets platform for startups and researchers. Union Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, said, "I am grateful and thankful to the Honorable PM for the approval of more than 10,000 crores for the India AI program, which will catalyze India's AI ecosystem and position it as a force shaping the future of AI for India and for the world." Key components include the India AI Innovation Center for Indigenous Large Multimodal Models, the India AI Datasets Platform for Non-Personal Data Access, and the India AI Future Skills Program to increase AI courses at various academic levels. The initiative also focuses on promoting AI applications in critical sectors and supporting deep tech AI startups through the India AI Startup Financing pillar. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
Solana, a popular altcoin, has seen a significant increase in value, reaching $145 in the last 24 hours. As the altcoin approaches the critical $150 level, excitement is growing within the community. Sentiments analysis suggests this is a significant turning point for Solana. Despite rising expectations, analysts point to lack of enthusiasm, often associated with FOMO, which could potentially soften the rally. Historical trends in the cryptocurrency market show doubt often drives prices up. Many analysts predict a strong rally for Solana, with some predicting it will surpass $200. Next on the list, we have USDT. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, is partnering with Uzbekistan, a national agency or perspective project, also known as NAPP, to promote crypto regulation. The partnership aims to position Uzbekistan as the leader in peer-to-peer and blockchain technology to explore development and adoption of blockchain stablecoins and tokenization and contribute to developing the crypto legal framework and policy. Tether will also help create and implement Uzbekistan's digital currency and payment infrastructure. The MOU aims to stimulate economic growth, contribute to tech innovation, and promote blockchain and crypto education. Tether's global strategy of building resilient cities and nations will continue. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu ecosystem team plans to conduct a massive sheep burn collecting 40 Ethereum to incarnate tokens. This is a part of ongoing Shibarium-powered burns since December 2023, which have removed 43 billion sheep tokens. The team has initiated 5 burns, with the last one on January 9th, removing 9.35 billion sheep from circulation. However, the team has not executed any Shibarium-powered burn since the 5th burn, despite a spike in total transactions. The community speculates that the team may be waiting to deploy the Shibarium burn portal, which is still undergoing rigorous testing. Shiba Inu was trading up near 10% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Ethereum. The Ethereum Layer 2 network-based team has announced support for the Denken upgrade, which aims to reduce transaction fees by over 90%, especially for rollups. The upgrade will increase data availability and benefit other Layer 2 ecosystems like Mode, Zora, EVO, Fractal, and the Optimism superchain. It will also introduce a new concept of blobs within Layer 1 blocks, increasing Ethereum's data availability without affecting existing infrastructure. Ethereum is all set to cross the $4,000 mark. ETH maxis get down to business. Next on the list, we have Floki Inu. Floki Inu has launched a marketing campaign in Times Square, New York City, following a 40% price surge in just 24 hours. The campaign will feature a double-sided HD LED screen, a digital billboard, and a digital billboard with dimensions of 56 feet in width and 29 feet in height. The campaign aims to increase visibility and market presence in the area, which has daily foot traffic of over 330,000 visitors and an annual influx of over 50 million individuals. Floki Inu was trading 50% up in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worldtv.io or scan the QR code.